A double murder and a triple murder. At least 7 people killed in one day across Jamaica. Good evening and thanks for joining us for Primetime News. A special welcome to viewers on onespotmedia.com. I am Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, Jamaica had to accept the 42 deportees. National Security Minister says mass deportation isn't unusual.
Investigation on PNP campaign financing scandal underway. Former and current works ministers speak with the Office of the Contractor General.
And 3-year-old boy expelled from school because of his hairstyle. This evening, what the Education Ministry is saying.
In the business day, JS President calls for farmers to increase meat production to cut imports.
There's also sports commentary and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Have you ever been discriminated against or treated differently because of your hair or hairstyle?
Share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica and tweet us at TelevisionJam.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.